Project Image, a web-based document management accounts payable system. India Shared Services, part of finance function, was set up in 2002 as a centralized accounting function for Castrol India Limited, presently based at Wadala Technology Centre. SSC has successfully responded to many changing business needs during last several years, thus playing its part in the success of BP companies in India. In our effort to demonstrate unfaltering commitment to continuous improvement and efficiency within finance, India Shared Services team had embarked on performance and systems improvement accounts payable workflow, that is, Project Image, a web-based document management system. Identified as one of the BCP risk mitigation project for meeting critical vendor payments, Shared Services team developed workflow which starts from scanning of all invoices and supporting document which are routed through different work steps till the payment is completed. It will help in creating scalable module by simplification and standardization of processes.
The Project Image was led by the India Finance CIL team and was ably supported by the India ITNS team, Newgen and ECS. Newgen with their products like OmniDoc and OmniFlow.
What is Project Image? Shared Services team developed accounts payable workflow which starts from scanning of all invoices and supporting documents which are routed through different work steps till the payment is completed. Let me take you through the process. As soon as the invoice is received at Shared Services, the recipient will update the inward file and check the originality of the document. All documents are then moved to the supervisors for updating different categories. After updating, all invoices are moved for de-stapling and prepared for scanning. After scanning and indexing, work item is generated. Data for specific fields is entered in the OmniFlow system. Thereafter, the work item is moved to the duplicity check utility inbuilt in the system. Supervisors then check the work item for duplicity. If duplicity is found, they take necessary action, or else the work item is moved to the processor queue for processing. The work item is then recorded in JDE system. In case of unclear invoice, the work item is moved to the exception recording queue.
In OmniFlow, I am generating the payment due report which helps me to plan my payment schedule well in advance.
I can work simultaneously on JDE and review invoices on OmniFlow online anytime.
There are many changes with OmniFlow. Attending discrepancies in documents sent by source department is now easy and faster, with the whole document online with just a click of a button.
Invoices where discrepancy raised by me can be reviewed online at any location.
I am learning new ways of working with images, which is exciting for me. My desk is clean now, but earlier it was full of papers.
Payment verification is very simple. No need to get back to physical invoices with huge supporting, since images are available for online review.
Earlier I used to work on paper, now it's paperless. I feel huge difference from my earlier working style.
This is an altogether new experience for me. I don't have to depend upon any helpless guys to get my bills. I can just get this on from my PC.
Earlier I used to receive bill wherein manual check on the duplicity of the bill was difficult. Now with the inbuilt feature of the system, it does not allow processing of any of the duplicate invoice.
With the help of this system, even if any colleague is absent, I can take charge of his work in his absence hassle free.
With the help of OmniFlow system, I know exactly how many invoices are in queue. This helps me to plan how many top priorities items are in queue, such as statutory payments, base oil advances, which help me to pay on time.
With OmniFlow payment processing, the system is now more process oriented rather than person specific. There are systematic controls which are inbuilt in the system which helps us to eliminate the risk of double payments completely. With OmniFlow, I can measure the performance of the processors, and with the reporting tools and AMIs, the productivity can be enhanced.
Scanning has transformed the working of the accounting desk, because at the click of a button, right from the inception of creating a supplier master to the working of the BSI, just by clicking a button we are able to see the image, which was previously very difficult to obtain. Also, retrieval was one of the major pain points in the accounting desk, because for tax purposes, for audit purposes, lot of documents, old documents needed to be retrieved. Now the OmniFlow access has been given to the tax department, to the auditors, so they retrieve the documents directly in electronic form, and that saves a lot of time for the accounting desk, which is used in more productive services.
System facilitate faster query resolution, and with setting up the query desk at shared services, time spent by supervisors and processors on resolving queries are eliminated. The time is more used for payment processing and the productivity enhancement. System is now transparent, and sitting at different location, the work item can be accessed. This helps better coordination between source department and shared services and a better teamwork.
In the project image has got its significance. It has not only digitized and brought about the images of the documents, it has enhanced the image of shared services to the various stakeholders. The scanning project supports the simplification agenda of Castrol India. It will bring in more efficiency by accurate accounting and the volume of transactions being increased, thereby creating a sense that shared services is valued internally and recognized externally.
I would call this as a continuous improvement program. OmniFlow, the payment authorization process, has greatly enabled the quick authorizations of the payments online and seamlessly. No more papers at the desk and no personal follow-up, and I can do it sitting anywhere in this office. It has greatly helped us improve the productivity and efficiency of our payments to the suppliers.
As a process, as a concept, it's a wonderful idea and the right move towards the right direction, and it's a real futuristic decision. Earlier scenario was